Today we're going to make crab Varutharachathu or crab with fried coconut paste. That's the live crab. It's fresh. Now we're going to kill it and then separate the legs and clean it out. Here I have about 2 kilos of crab cleaned and cut up. Then I'm taking 2 cups of scraped coconut and just pulsing it so that it's easier to fry. Then I'll put it into a kadai or a frying pan and dry roast it. And when it's slightly changed in color, I'll add about 1.5 piece ginger chopped up, 6 shallots chopped up, and also 15 cloves of garlic chopped up, and roast along with the coconut. Now you can see the coconut is being fried, and you can see the pieces of ginger and garlic. Yeah, that's a sort of fine golden color, and the onion and shallots and garlic are already in there. Now we'll add the 6 Kashmiri chilies and coriander seeds to the fried coconut. I have also added 2 red chilies. Now I'll fry this coconut further with all these ingredients till it's fairly dark brown in color, and then I'll allow it to cool a bit before I grind it in a mixie to a fine paste. So here I'm grinding it. If need be, we can add a bit of water. I actually add a little bit of water to grind it to a fine paste. Once that is ready, we can start with the main cooking of our crab. For that we need some cinnamon, 1.5 inch cinnamon, 4 cloves and 4 cardamoms, some curry leaves, a small piece of ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, 4 shallots, 1 green chilli, and 2 small pieces of tamarind. I'm starting off with 10 medium-sized onions, which I will slice up. I'll slice them into long pieces like so. And once that is done, I'll crush the ginger, garlic and shallots in a mortar. I'll start off with these crushed items. I'll first turn on the stove, put my utensil on the stove, and then I've added some oil, and then once the oil is hot, I've added some mustard. Once that splutters, I'll add all the crushed ingredients along with the curry leaves. Once that's slightly getting sauteed, I'm also adding the cardamom, cloves and cinnamon to bring out the aroma of the spices. Then I'll add the sliced onions. While the onions are being sauteed, I've added about 6 or 7 potatoes which I've sliced up, and I'm also slicing up a couple of tomatoes, 3 finely chopped tomatoes. Now in a container, I'm getting together 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm adding that to the sauteed onions. And after stirring well, I'm adding the chopped up tomatoes as well. Followed by this, I'm adding 2 pieces of tamarind and a little bit of water. And after that, I'm putting in the cleaned pieces of crab. There you can see I've put it in, and I'm going to stir it over and make sure the masala is all mixed, or the spices are all mixed up. with the crab. Then I'll close it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add the salt. Now I've added about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and I'm also adding the fried coconut paste that we prepared earlier, and I'm stirring the whole crab. And of course also I've added about the chopped up potatoes or cubed potatoes. I've also added about 2 cups of water so that the crab can cook well, get done, and I'm covering it up and leaving it on low flame till it's done. I've also added 1 green chilli just for the aroma. Add more salt according to your taste, and when the gravy is fairly dried up to your liking, you can switch off the stove and the crab is ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it.